Okay, so I attached a clip, but this is the Chanel mini flap. I cannot say enough good things about the size of this bag. If you're familiar with the Chanel classic flap, this has items in it. This is just the miniature version of the Chanel classic flap. This is newer. This is not something that's been around forever. The main detail difference is going to be that this strap only goes long. Like it doesn't have the two holes for you to be able to switch up the chain strap. However, easy hack for that is to just go ahead and put the strap like this and then close it, and then you easily have a quick little shoulder bag. That's just kind of an easy fix there, but for the most part I feel like this will be one that I only will intend to wear crossbody or as a shoulder bag. You can't see it, but it's so light, it's so small, so easy, good date night bag. Let me show something next to this. Okay, this is a good example. Water bottle, right? This is my Simply Modern or Simple Modern, whatever it's called. This is like smaller than my water bottle. It is so cute. Obviously in the video you can see me unboxing it. That's how they box everything. Always really detailed, as far as there's always plastic and covering all over all the hardware. It's genuine leather. It smells like it. It looks like it. Doesn't have one of those yucky odors, or at least mine didn't. It does have this classic CCs here. The details, like there is, it's kind of hard to show. It says Chanel here. There is part where it has item numbers here, as well as a little sticker in here as well. There's two different versions of this. There's one that has the burgundy inside. I went with the one that has a black inside. I really can't remember which is which, but I did the soft calf leather. I think I'm saying that right. You could do the caviar if you were doing the classic flap. You got to figure out what you want and what they have available. If you are wanting something that's going to be looking like a direct replica, I would recommend going on Chanel's website first, picking out what you want, or heading into a boutique. I knew I wanted this. I've seen this. I knew how beautiful the bag is, and so I'm really excited to use this and love on this bag. I do have a code below that you can use on the website. If you've seen any of my previous videos, they always offer a discount if you are not wanting the box with the bag, so that's an option. But yeah, my discount code will save you some money. And check out my other videos, see some other bags that I've purchased, and just know that the quality is always chef's kiss. Thanks so much for watching.